Hi gamers, I've got my several dice, so let's see what is inside this package. So boy, that's a lot of dice. So 50 dice. Okay, it seems nice. Oh, this is the cover and the thank you from me. Oh, this is the layout. These are the tiles that are mixable. The several tiles, and these belong to the map. With a little story. So this is the first, and I've related them. Every map tile is double-sided. It has an alternative art on the other side. And so on. These are the map tiles, and these are the cutouts you can lay down on the map. No, it seems perfect. With bridges. And the other half of the package is the mixable several tiles. A lot of connection. So you can extend this great big map or build a new one. So this is the printed version of the several map tiles with 50 tiles, 50 double-sided tiles. They are UV coated. Okay, I placed every tiles, and this is the whole map. As I said, they have an alternative version on the other side. So there is no well, for example, or vortex, or bandits. Or no light. So you can draw these tiles like a fog of war system on your table. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, don't forget to order your copy. Bye!